Alright guys, I'm back again with another video. So we're preparing for MD and we've been doing up and downs the fittings, and we're trying to have the suits in order, in place. Like, we're trying to make his day look like it was orchestrated. And I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing, guys. I hope you guys stay tuned and please watch the whole video. This is whoa, okay, whoa. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, baby. So like, please subscribe. Yo guys, bye. After Robert, I'm gonna roll on. Bye bye.
I have never done so many nice outfits for one family.
Let's take this overboard now.
Do a turn around for the mammies. Yeah. On. Like this.
This is your perfect wedding. Are you happy? This is your perfect wedding.
Like this.
Like this? Try.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you tell it now. Mama. Now.
Hi, G.
Unjani?
Hey, yathi yazi abantu basigijimisa.
You, awazi uJunior yathi akusumfana ngigijime the whole day namhlanje. Ngithi mina imoto ngoba akunayo. Uxoli uzothi makafika bazohamba ku Xoli ubuntle unomthandazo babaphelezele kube yiconvoy, mina nawe sosala siphuza utshwala ku right akuhamba ama 2000.
I don't know. And vela bamba ama 2000 namngani wami. Abahambe.
Akuhamba ama 2000 sosala siphuza utshwala.
Yo, hayi. Hayi kuninzi ntanta, hayi kuninzi. Hayi lo nyaka lo, hayi no, it's too much.
You, I mean, 2025 must just come to an end, eh? You're right.
Yeah, testing. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, it's beautiful. This 1, 2, 3, testing. This is so gorgeous. I think I like the other one. Hi guys, I'm movie fam. Yeah, it's the morning of. We're walking to get flowers and then cut to get flowers. If I'm going to my flowers, I'm then I'd have to go to Greenstone. Because I know a place where there's so nice flowers there. So I went there. And this place is not so far. Oh, sus! It's not so far from my house. But like the way I'm going, you'd say Gachima. What? Anyways, guys, we didn't get any flowers. We didn't get anything. Oh, no, I'm lying. We did get something. We got bread, milk, and what? Ooh, and I'm so exhausted. Now I have to go to Greenstone. No. And umuntu womnikazi welanga umnikazi umuntu esenzela yena uphumile ayokhapha bangani, like what do you mean? So manje yonke into mina ngiyenze ngi-1. Okay, manje at least ngihambe nebhuti wami omncane yabo, but he's not gonna want to go to Greenstone. I'd have to go to Greenstone alone, you know, get flowers and run errands there, and come back. Also, I need to make sure I come back on time so I can help my brother prepare. Nathi sizilungise nepartner yakhe ngoba nje ngizoba abantu namhlanje bengalizange wait nje ngokuba busy nje kuphela. Ha, ngiyantshela nina khohlwani madoda, but yeah. These are the number plates, his hat, his gloves, his pocket watch. Then we also have his rings. Guys, if you call one, but yeah. Then right here we have watches. We have his shoes here. Everything else there. Yeah. Here we go. This is written, "Lucky, I love you." But anyways, there you go. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful setup. And he's whatever's. Anyway, guys, here is Lwethu'S gown and hanger. I quickly wanted to unbox the gown so we can put it here, joiner, you know, because also her dress, we can't put her dress on the hanger, otherwise, yeah, rubble, that dress is heavy. It's heavy. Here's the gown, Md 25 and Lwethu, and this is her hanger. At Md 25 Lwethu and Md 25 Mashamplani. There we have it. I've set up like almost half of the whole thingy. So Manje, I still have to rush to thingy, to Queenstone, and then and also I need to get Lwethu flowers. So I just need to get that done. And yeah. So I'm gonna go to Standard Bank, and then I'm gonna go to I'm gonna get flowers. And also into is into what is that thing, Konje? Double-sided tape for the number plates. I shouldn't forget that. But I think so far so good. I'm running out of time, but okay, no, my mom, she's busy with something else. But umnikazi welanga akekho la ndlini. Usince aphuma ekuseni nabangani bakhe. Papa yithi. Amapapa yithi kahle kahle. Befuna ukuthi papa yimi, but amapapa yithi kahle kahle because nangumuntu akasabuyi uyafuna ukuthi ngimbhekele i-power bank. Yes. Let's get it done.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah. taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night, boy, yeah. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me if it's real. Pick up the phone, show me if it's real. Pick up the phone, show me if it's real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
Put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for that heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens when it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't face me. Don't put your drinks up. Put your drinks up. Put your drinks up. I'm blessed, yes. Clap for that heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica. Queens and it's crazy, cause I'm still hood. Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't raise me. Put your drinks up. Put your drinks up.
I left no like unento mazana ngimonela ifuna ujuni acabanga ujana ngamba so
ubani lo ubani the crown
Malendo.
at least utsola malendo